What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tsukuru YouTube channel. Tonight we are going to be removing the secondary air pump out of the E46. This Majigga, basically, we don't have emissions testing in Michigan, so we don't need it. So we're getting rid of it and losing the 8 pounds or whatever it is. So let's get to it. I work on my car a quarter turn at a time. Those look like 10s also.
Who needs fancy stuff?
Boom! Vacuum line plugged. Exactly what we did. Maybe
Exactly.
Maybe just break the line.
Oh, cool. Glad I did that.
I didn't think it was going to be that fragile, but now I need to find where that came from.
It's fragile.
Got the valve out. So this little plate just replaces that. Got a gasket. Slap it back on there. 2 bolts. There's a vacuum line on this that you had to pull off and plug, but I'm dumb and ended up breaking it because it was brittle and cold out. So we'll have to find that another time, but that's for later. That's for future me to hate myself about.
So now, what's gonna happen when we start? Check engine lights.
Yes, check engine light 100%. Look at all that room for activities.
See? She runs without it. Don't even need it.
Don't even need. So it's idling fine without having this vacuum line plug. Doesn't change anything, so we're gonna leave it. I don't care. If anyone out there has an E46 and you do live in a state that has emissions testing, and you by chance need a new secondary air pump, I'll give you this one for free. Send me a DM on Instagram at sts.e46 and we can get that situated and get it sent out. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.